you.
Ooh, tell us about it, Claire Lane.
She's such a quiet person.
You quiet, baby? Grayson, who are you with? Who is that?
What's his name?
You're a
Is
goofball.
that
The guy
Uncle
who makes you
Florio?
laugh.
Who is that? What is this? A frog? Are you sure it's not a
Frog in your
prince?
beard.
What happened? If you kiss it, it might turn into a prince. Isn't that what's supposed to happen?
Florio, hard at work.
No,
There's
no
a prince holding you already.
No prince.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Hey, Chelsea.
Hello.
Hello.